Hey guys, how's it going? We're here at Champion Motors with Glenn's Corvette, and today we're going to have it on the dyno to get a dyno tuned with a smaller blower pulley, and we also had a Borla Attack muffler system put on it, so can't wait to hear that. So let's get right to the video. Well guys, just finished up at Champion Motors. The new exhaust sounds awesome, and Glenn's car is all tuned up for the new pulley, and hopefully he enjoys his car with the new power. And thanks for watching guys. Talk to you later. Bye.